It's starting to be Christmas. We're gonna get decorating. I'm gonna spin around. You can see we've messed the whole house up. We're making decorations. We got cookies baking in the background. The tree's getting ready to go up over here. Garland's gonna be on the mantle. It's Christmas time.
Oh, oh, oh! Merry Christmas!
Merry, 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 Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Happy, 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 happy Christmas! Happy Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Hey Momo, what you doing?
Nothing. Just decorating.
I think it's time for the tree to go up. Well guys, Aunt Momo has left, and as you can see, the house is fully decorated and we've got Christmas everywhere. We are in the holiday spirit, and while we're sad that she's gone, we just got an early Christmas present. Now you guys remember my buddy Jason, who has helped me out on one of the previous episodes, many of the previous episodes. Well, his wife has an incredible talent. She makes some of the best cookies that you'll ever find anywhere, and they are so custom. Have you ever had a custom cookie? Well, I'm about to show you the best there is. Guys, check this out. When I say the best, I mean it's the best. I mean, check Sasquatch cookies, Bigfoot cookies, reindeer. Oh my God, it just puts us in the Christmas spirit. These things are awesome. What better cookies to put on Santa's plate than Salted Sweets by Keely? She is the most amazing artist of cooketry that you could ever have. I mean, holy cow, guys, look at this. We got stocking cookies, we got candy cane cookies, and Christmas trees. Hey, Jana, this whole thing is themed to a couple acres. They've even got Sasquatch in here, Bigfoot. You got acorns. Look at these little acorns. They're good. Oh, holy cow. We got s'mores gingerbread cookies, and we have dipping icing. Jana didn't say any of that. But I know what I'm gonna start with. Sasquatch. Is my favorite. We're in the holiday spirit. We just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holiday, and we'll be back to see you shortly.